ever wonder how all those people are supposed to take naps at work? Well, there's a few helpful props to help you. Maybe one of the most simple ones is just a sleep mask. So when you're in the office, close your door or be open about it, let it open. Just block out the light, very important to get sleepy. And maybe just put your head down like this over your desk. But as you can already see, it's maybe not the most comfortable position. Maybe you need more of a pillow, like the ostrich pillow. Whoop, let me actually position it, because it needs to be over my mouth, my head, my arms right up here, and then I can lean forward and kind of take a nap right here. So basically, there's no good excuse that you cannot take a nap at work. You sure can.